I even got my shifter. See, I had to zip tie my drive shaft out of the way. I even got my damn cable shifter is bolted to where the bolts are and back to the shifter itself. I'm gonna have to disconnect that linkage. This is a pain in the ass. At least I'm not pulling that tranny. Woo! I might have to have those two bolts loose when I go to put it back in. Alright. So it wasn't a 15, it was a 9/16. That fitted better. There was a little bit of slop when I was using the oversized wrench. I was able to get one with the impact. Can't find my freaking ratcheting wrench, which would be ideal. All I found was my freaking normal one. It's 9/16. This is an NP208 on a Chevy 95 K1500. Passenger side drop. That's right, I said 95. Guess it all leaked out already. Whole stud came out. That lock nut. It's got an Allen head on the end though. So you can tighten the stud and then tighten the nut. Holy shit! The corner one had a washer. That was like the same bolt too. That one's longer.
First off, we tried to tell him not to hit the club. Broke his head between us, only had 100 bucks. But it was popping, happy hour, so we stopped and had some $1 track. It didn't seem much like a problem. Then the lady started bumping to a Yin Yang song. I hit the bar and took a shot into a 3, I'm gone.
There's a tab right here, so you'll know where it goes. Alright, so it's flat on the bottom side and it's kind of open at the top. I guess the threads are going like that. When it slips on, threads are going like that. Thought I almost broke that. So it's splined at the top, not splined at the very bottom lip. That's where it sits. Looks a little dirty in there. Tap it up evenly. Something just fell in there. I have no idea what just fell. There we go. And it's not super square, but it's pretty damn close. Big old washer. Looks the same. Both sides. There's bearings down in there. Oh, that retains all the needle bearings. That's what it does. It's retaining all of them. That looks like a motherfucker to get in. Yeah, that's looking like a motherfucker. Looks like one solid piece, but it feels like two, somehow, some way. Oh, okay, there we go. There's probably bearings inside that thing, too. If I had to guess, it's another motherfucker. And that ring. Oh, that was the ring that was right there. Yeah, that's right. That's the other bearing. There was a bearing on that top part. Yeah, because it's the same size. But the big washer was on the bottom this time. And the thin washer was in the middle. And on the top side, it was the opposite. It was the small washer down, the big washer up. This time it's opposite, big washer down. So that chain can come out. Not a bad chain. It's not stretched. Splines aren't messed up. I mean the teeth. Looks like it's getting even with. Just turn the camera off. All my fucking needle bearings just slid right the fuck out. That shit looks intense. So that top one. The shift fork. Flat on the bottom. It looks like that rest of that assembly is held together. Alright, so this part, that metal part was on the top. This slid on that hole. It was like that. This thing's rounded on the top side. And it just slid on like that. Not much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together like that. Alright, so you gotta rotate it to get this damn shift fork out of the way. fork on top. That all came apart down there. It's all rusted and shit. That long slot is on the bottom clearly. Alright, now I'm going to clean it. Oh, there's an O-ring in here, by the way. Not on this side, but on the other side. Spot where the magnet was supposed to be. Alright, so now there's an O-ring. So much of a groove. Because that was dirt. Maybe that's what helped hold that plastic thing in. I don't know. New O-ring going in. It does have a seat though. Little plastic washer. This one's gonna push that in. Just goes in just like that.